thunderstorm warning for western Montgomery County and Middle Tennessee, Stewart County and Middle Tennessee, Houston County and Middle Tennessee, until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Murray to 12 miles northwest of Paris Landing State Park to near Paris, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Dover, Erin, Tennessee Ridge, Big Rock, Cumberland City, land between the lakes, Houston County Airport, and Indian Mound. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.